9.3 similar right triangles. Now we're going to come back to this idea of a geometric mean. Now, geometric mean has that word mean in it, which should be ringing a bell, and the word coming to your mind should be average. But this time the only difference is we have the word geometric in front of it. So a geometric mean can be seen as the central number in a geometric progression. Okay, still the idea of an average or a middle, it's just going to be calculated a little differently. So the way we calculate a geometric mean is it's the nth root of the product of n numbers. Okay, so let's think about what that means. It's the nth root of the product of n numbers. So first of all, product means multiply. So we're going to take n numbers, and typically when we're dealing here, we're going to have two numbers, and we're going to find their product. Then you're going to do the nth root. So if there's two numbers, that means the second root. So you take two numbers, multiply them together, and then take the square root. Another way of writing that that's going to come up is we could say x over a equals b over x, where a and b are your numbers and x is your geometric mean. Now, taking all that into account, we're now going to skip to example 4. So skip to example 4, and it says find the geometric mean of 24 and 48. And we're going to do this two different ways. So the first way we're going to do it is we're going to use the definition. It said it's the nth root of the product of n numbers. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 24 times 48. Okay, so 24 times 48 is 1152. Now, that's the product of two numbers. So because it's two numbers, that means we're going to take the square root, which is going to get us 24 times the square root of 2. And we can leave it exactly like that, or if we wanted to approximate it, that would get us roughly 33.94. Now, the other way to calculate that is by doing x over a equals b over x. This one's going to be a, this one's going to be b. It really doesn't matter. And then x is going to be your geometric mean. So we would set up x over 24 equals 48 over x. Now, solving that, you would cross multiply, and 24 times 48 is 1152. X times x is x squared. And then to solve that, we would take a square root, which is going to get us the square root of 1152, which we found was 24 times the square root of 2, which is x.